smooth. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Main bitch out of your lead to. Side bitch out of your lead to. I'm so empty, need a centerpiece. Any rights to table come from ebony. Got that every into skinny pieces. And she can't whip her face when I put my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, let's take any lane. Switch on my car, back out any pain. Now you're the bitch, you're the loader. 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 I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. Boy cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Put your whole year in a week to. Me bitch out of your lead to. Side bitch out of your lead to. That's why I see me a centerpiece. 20 rights to team up the brother B. Nothing I do just clean pieces. That you clean up with my face, my little babe. It's talking on me, you get a name. It's talking about me until you change. Switch on my tie, let's take any lane. Switch on my car, I'm doing things. Now you're the bitch, you're the loader. 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 I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week to. Hey bitch, how you lead to? Toy bitch, how you lead to? I saw to you it's centerpiece. 20 rights to see what goes from the day. Got that every skinny pieces. That you put up on my face when I
now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme, not even rap first. It's all good with these the same traces, providing fucking bases, overcoming all phases. So now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme, not even rap first. Cause I'm on mission like the 007. I will never let a sucker start an Armageddon. Now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though they have to fucking rhyme, not even rap first. It's all good with these the same traces, providing fucking bases, overcoming all phases. So now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though they have to fucking rhyme, not even rap first. Cause I'm on mission like the 007. I will never let a sucker start an Armageddon.